Gosh, the welds on this thing are just beautiful. It's like artwork. What's going on, Team Lethal fans? Joe with Lethal Performance here, and today I have a brand new exclusive here to Lethal Performance, the Resonator Delete H-Pipe for the 2020 and up GT500. Now, we already have the Resonator Delete X-Pipe, but this is for those who want that H-Pipe sound. I'm going to take it out of the box here, go over a couple of the key features, and ultimately show you why you want it for your car. But now, let's open this puppy up. Alright, so the first thing, of course, once we get this puppy open is going to be all the packing that they do have stuffed with it. Do a super nice job with that. Let's take it out here. Gosh, the welds on this thing are just beautiful. It's like artwork. Now, as you can see here on the ends, it is slightly beveled down here to fit your 2 3/4 inch stock exhaust, but it is a 3-inch overall pipe here, so you are going to get that added benefit from that a little bit larger pipe, a little bit better flow. Next thing I'm pulling out of the box here, which is probably a pretty big note, is going to be the metal straps here for the OEM heat insulation if you'd like to reuse it. Definitely something you're probably going to want to reuse. If you don't want to, that's totally your choice, but it's definitely something nice to have under the car, and we give you that option with these heat straps here. Lastly, of course, is going to be the new clamps supplied with every kit so that you can go ahead and install it on the car. Of course, you got paperwork here with a checklist to prove that you got everything. Let's get this out of here. Now that I've got it here up on the table, you can clearly see the quality and dedication that was put toward this product from the factory. To start, the welding on it is absolutely gorgeous. Now, while you're not going to see a whole lot of that while you're driving down the road, you are going to see it every time that you change the oil in it or do an overall inspection underneath the car. It's going to show, and it's going to continue to stay at that high quality spot. Another note is that this is all T304 stainless steel, meaning it is not going to rust on you, and let's just say theoretically, if you wanted to change it up down the road, go with a cap back or go with headers or something like that, you're going to have no issue getting this piece off because all of the clamps, straps, and the system itself is T304 stainless steel. That means it's not going to rust, plain and simple. At the end of the day, this requires no retune, no welding, and has all the components in it that you would ever need to install it on the car. We also have a Resonator Delete X-Pipe for the 2020 and up GT500, which we expect to see about the same gains as this pipe does. So, depending on whichever sound you want is going to be the route you're going to want to go down. The X-Pipe is going to give you a little bit more of a raspy, higher pitch sound, whereas the H-Pipe is going to give you a slightly deeper but more aggressive sound to it. It's all depending on what you want for your car and what sounds the best to you. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105 or by email at support@lethalperformance.com. Click on the links in the description below to check them out for yourself. This has been Joe with Lethal Performance, and I'm out.